Today's important news. The caretaker of Afghanistan Bank said in the meeting organized for development and tradition of Islamic banking in the country that the Bank of Afghanistan has made all-out efforts in the development and tradition of Islamic banking in the past 2 years. Acting Minister of Refugees and Returnees Affairs Khalilur Rahman Haqqani said that serious efforts are being made to free Afghan prisoners in foreign countries. The head of the Politics Office of Islamic Emirate in Qatar, Suhail Shaheen, met with the United States Special Representative for Afghanistan, Thomas West in Doha. A number of other topics were discussed. Serious struggle of Afghanistan Islamic Emirate against drugs. This time, not Afghanistan but Myanmar has become the first in cultivation of poppy. But after the ban on drugs by the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, Afghanistan has dropped from this position. 5 projects related to the Department of Public Health have been put into use in the Maidan Wardak province at the cost of 30 million Afghanis. Turkish investors have expressed interest in investing in the water sector in a meeting with the acting Minister of Water and Electricity. The Ministry of National Defense says that 155 soldiers from Hazrat Abdullah ibn Mas'ud Military Joint Training Command have graduated from the 3-month professional training in communication, logistics, security, and surveillance, propriety, and supplies.